To take screenshots on the Galaxy Z TriFold, simply press the power and volume down buttons once, like that. That's going to take a screenshot of this smaller display and save it to your gallery. And of course, you have all these screenshot options there as well. Now, you can also take a screenshot by swiping down and then looking for the screenshot option. If you don't see it, you can tap on the pen icon to edit the quick settings panel and then tap on edit and look for the take screenshot option and make sure it's added there so that if you want to take screenshots using the quick settings panel, you can just swipe down again and take a screenshot. Simple as that. Now you can also take a screenshot of the main display. So when you open it up, the volume buttons and power buttons are still on the right hand side of the phone. So again, you can take a screenshot by pressing those two buttons, and that takes a screenshot of the entire open screen. You can also find the screenshot button in the quick settings panel. You can take a screenshot from there, and also you should be able to take a screenshot using the palm swipe feature. But before you do that, you need to make sure that setting is enabled. So if you go into settings and then under settings, you go to advanced features, you tap on that, and then go to motions and gestures, tap on that, and then you should see the palm swipe to capture. Make sure that's turned on. Now with that on, it means you can just swipe your palm across the screen, and that's going to capture a screenshot as well. Okay, simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.